Hey guys, welcome back to Circleville YouTube channel. For this video, I'm going to share with you the latest, greatest, and most amazing tool deals currently available over at Northern Tool. They will all be linked down below. Now, all the deals I'm going to show you come with free shipping, and for many of them, we can use a promo code to get an even better discount. So, I'll also have this page linked down below as well. It's the 100 best tool deals at Northern Tool. If you go to the daily deals menu bar on my website and then go down to Northern Tool, that is this page right here. Now, the important thing on this page is the available promo codes are all here. We have $20 off 100, 10 off 50, 25 off 150, or $10 off 60, which you're not going to use because you would just use this. You can use one promo code per order, but because these are all free shipping anyway, you can just break up your orders however it is most advantageous to you. And these all go through September 4th. And of course, any new codes that come out once these get close to expiring, we'll update it and make sure we always have working codes for you guys. Now, the other thing is, in my experience, most of the time, Northern Tool does not give you they won't spot you the buck. If something's 20 off 100 and you have a $99 item, they ain't giving you the dollar. You got to find something. So right here is a list of the cheapest items that also have free shipping. So you can get that filler item to get you to whatever threshold you're trying to get to, 50, 100, 150. And it's important when you find the filler item that it also ships for free, because otherwise they're going to charge you shipping on that item. Now, additionally, this list of 100 or so deals I just updated right now. So everything's in stock. All the discounts are valid. So that's in addition to all the other deals that we're going to look at here right now. So first off, we have the Clutch, which is their store brand, brass steel wire wheel scratch brush. So it's normally $4. It's down to $1.19. Again, everything comes with free shipping. So if we do find something that's $49, $99, this would be a good filler item for you. Be able to use those promo codes. Next, we have the Clutch Blowgun Kit, normally $14 down to $10.49. See if we can get the little picture to actually pull up. Not very helpful. This picture is much better. Have the various tips for all your blowgunning needs. Now here we have the Clutch SAE Metric Extra Long. The extra long combination wrench is one, always more expensive, but two, can really help when you're in a bind. Don't believe me? Try and remove the fan on a 67 Mustang. That damn thing has about an inch clearance between that and the radiator, and if you got little regular wrenches or short wrenches, you are scraping your knuckles on the fins of the radiator. You're playing bloody knuckles with the radiator, and we don't like it. So we like the extra long handle so we can get away from that. Normally $53, they're down to $18.59, and it's an 18-piece set, so it's pretty good. I was actually going to look if there was two separate SKUs. No, it's all one. Two combinations. Let's see, what do we got? Going from quarter up to 3/4. That's not skipping anything. And then we have, let's see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. No skips. 10 to 18 and quarter to 3/4. So $18.59 in free shipping. Hell, I think I'm going to buy those as soon as the video's over. Have the Roughneck High Flow Grease Gun. It's the lever type, normally $40 down to $19.99. Now I know this is a good deal because my old grease gun quit working. I had to run over to Ace Hardware. I paid like $35 for a damn grease gun. I'm like, what the hell's going on here? So $19.99, I like that, and could have gotten free shipping. Now, of course, not a big fan of the rigid extension piece here. You got to get a flexi. So that's the only way to go. Or otherwise, $20 for the grease gun. We have an EMSCO round point shovel, comfort grip, 10.5 inch by 13 by 54. It's as tall as I am. $22.99. I'm kidding, I'm not that tall. Was $32.99. And you get free shipping on a shovel is pretty good. It's hard to get free shipping on a shovel. Kind of got that oversized problem going. Now look at this. Here we have the Clutch Extra Long SAE Combination Wrench Set. This is a 14-piece set. You're getting the roll-up pouch, but it's $23.99. So, let's see what we got here. We got... What the hell am I looking at there? Something, and then, oh, is that half? Is that supposed to be half, and it's just got a weird crinkle? I think that's supposed to be half. So we got definitely larger sizes included in this one. If you need some of the big boy sizes. I mean, it already goes all the way up to 1.25 inches, so that's actually pretty decent. And for $23.99, you could totally spend $23.99 on just an 1.25 inch longy wrench. So that's a pretty good deal. I like the bigger sizes. Okay, now we have the Ironton Air Body Saw 5000 SPM. Strokes per minute. That's a lot of strokes, fellas. It's competing with you. $27.99 started out at $69.99. Now, I didn't include many of the air tools in this list because we've actually talked about them in a previous video. But if you go to that Northern tool list on my website, there are several like impact wrenches, this guy. There was a ton. There had to be 10 or 15 Ironton branded air tools that are all on clearance or sale or whatever. So if you're into the air tools, definitely check that list out. Now here we have the 4-foot ornamental garden windmill, red with white tips. It's down to $34.99. Now I bought one that was very similar. Mine it's taller than me, 8 feet probably. Excuse me, because I think I had to get on a ladder to do it. Now I've had mine for a couple of months. We did a video on the second channel of how to put it together. I did notice in the one I have, some people left reviews saying that it didn't last very long. I am convinced, because mine has worked perfectly fine and it gets pretty damn windy around here, that they did not grease the bearing right here. You definitely got to get grease. I got some high temp wheel bearing grease I put in there, and mine's just humming along. And we are going to have another one of those to show you here in a second. I think it's the actual one that I bought, but we'll be getting to it. Now, here we have the Timber Ridge Oversized. Oversized. Now, it's only a 300-pound capacity, so, you know, can't hold a bear because it's not that oversized. It's not wide load oversized. You know, it's like regular oversized. Relaxed chair with the side table. Really love the side table, actually. That's a handy little extra feature, because how many times are you going to be sitting in a chair like that and not have a drink? So this is normally $65. It's down to $35.69. You get two, you'll be able to use one of those promo codes. And then here is its better looking sister in green. Same price. Another one of the windmills. There actually was a lot of garden stuff that's also on sale right now. Some of these like garden decor. I don't know. Accents. I don't know what they are. So $37.99. I really like it cheap. Now this is actually the first thing I found as I was looking for the Northern Tool deals. So I created a separate post on the website for the 1-ton Arbor Press by Clutch. Now it says it's normally $109.99, which is a little high. That's an inflated price. But down to $54.99. Then we're going to use that $10 promo code. Quick math says $44.99. And if we compare the one from Harbor Freight, which is very similar, $65. Plus, what's the deal with Harbor Freight's website not having any type of free shipping option? Everyone's got free shipping, or at least some promotional free shipping. As far as I know, Harbor Freight's never had a free shipping nothing. I mean, even little ass Farm and Fleet with like 5 stores, they do free shipping promotions. I don't know. Anyway, save yourself $20. Find it at Northern Tool. Here's the 8-foot version. Mine's gray, not like this, but that's the one I got, the 8-footer. I really like it. Put it over my well. Have the little head of the well sticking out underneath here. Used to have a wishing well, but it deteriorated. Strongway double locking extra safe. Speaking of Harbor Freight, remember when they had the recall because their jack stands were like breaking and falling and crushing people's head? I don't know. That's what I heard happened. Double locking. 6-ton was $85 down to $65. And then we're going to take $10 off, 55. You're getting one pair, 6 ton. We got a trailer dolly, 600-pound capacity. Something a bear could sit and spin on. $64.99 down to $54.99. Was originally $100. Got your little flatbed trailer. You towing it all over the place. Got your boat. Get a boat on that thing. Drag it around the yard. Instant canopy, 10 by 10. It's a straight leg. Normally $100 down to $69.99. Our promo code's going to make it $59.99. You know, I think it's kind of funny. I don't know if the straight leg really... Harbor Freight's is not a straight leg. Their canopy that they sell, it's an angled leg. And the dimensions they give you are the base leg. You know, the base of the leg that's kicked out. It's kicked out farther than the canopy itself. So if it says it's a 10 by 10, you're really only getting like 8 by 8 of canopy because they're all tapered. Anyway, a true 10 by 10 over at Northern Tool. Now here we have the 12-ton jack stands. Double locking. You're getting a pair. They were nice enough to do the math for us. That's 24,000 pounds. Normally 140 down to 99. Now this one's only a penny. They might spot us a penny. I know they won't spot you a buck. They might spot you a penny. So they can go down to 79.99. Now we're talking. Here we have the 2-tier welding cart with locking cabinet. Normally 150 down to 99.99 again. We're hoping to get that give a penny, leave a penny deal, you know what I mean? I actually got one of those the other day. Damn gas station tax took it out to 201. Like, oh come on, you guys aren't gonna make me actually find a penny to give you, are you? Like, no, I got one in the tray here, which I was kind of shocked because no one uses cash for nothing. Strongway portable tilting drum fan. It's going to be 100 degrees here in Illinois this week. Could use a fan because I got some projects to do outside. I'm going to sweat to death. Death, I say. $114.99. Again, we can take $20 off of that. And then we have the 50-gallon wheeled compost tumbler bin. Could probably fit the body in it. Let them decompose. Out of sight, out of mind. Pay just under $100 once we use our promo code, getting that thing shipped to you for free. Don't mind the smell. Alright guys, that's it for the amazing deals over at Northern Tool. I'm going to put all these in links down below in the video description. I'll also link to that page on my website if you want to check out all of the other top discounts. Remember to use those promo codes. Get your free shipping. Lots of amazing stuff. Subscribe. Make sure you give the video a like. Messing that up. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Give the video a like. I'll see you guys next time.